If you have an Asus ROG or TUF system, Armoury Crate is your command center. But with the massive updates, things look a bit different. I'm Protech Genius, and today I'm explaining every single tab in the correct order so you can master your PC. First step is the dashboard, which is also known as home. This is your real-time monitor for CPU, GPU, fan, and memory status. The most important section here is going to be the operating modes. Here, you have silent for work, performance for balanced gaming, and turbo for max power. But if you want a standard mode where you don't need to change everything and automatically Windows will tweak it, you can just set it for Windows. Now, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, make sure to you hit on that subscribe button right now. I help you master your Asus hardware every single week. Join the Protech Genius family now. Next is the devices tab. This is where you configure your specific hardware. For example, I have a TUF laptop. So if you just click on my laptop, I can find four options over here. Four important options, which is going to be system configuration, memory, GPU performance, and lightning. Resource monitor is something which I've covered in the later part. In the system configuration, you can find the options to turn on or off all the keys you have. For example, if I want to disable Windows key, I can just disable it by clicking over here. Now it's disabled, and when I press the Windows key, nothing is going to happen. As you can see, now I'm pressing it, nothing is happening. But if I enable it, if I just press the Windows key, I can use the Windows key. The same goes for touchpad and the panel over. Now for the memory, this shows what all memory you're using right now, what all consumes your memory. If you just don't want something, you can just click here and you can just free it up. Once you click on it, for example, now I chose Copilot, this would get cleared. Now going back to GPU performance, this basically just shows what all applications are using your GPU. Right now, I am recording in OBS Studio, so obviously, OBS Studio is consuming my GPU over here. Now, the fourth option is going to be the lightning. There are basic effects, as you can see, and you can choose your color over here. Right now, I have chosen the default purple or pink color, but you can just reset it back to default, which is going to be the red color. Resource monitor is something which shows you the resources which you're using in real time. For example, how much FPS you're using. Well, this is mainly useful if you're going to be gaming. Next is the Aura Sync. This is the aesthetic settings for your laptop. Now for the RGB, Aura Sync allows you to synchronize your lighting across all your Asus peripherals. You can choose from preset like static or rainbow by going to the Aura effects. By default, static is the one which consumes the least amount of battery, so I have chosen static. But if you like different colors in different modes, you can just choose any one of this. Or else, you can also use the Aura Creator if you want to design complex multi-layered light shows which match your entire room setup. If you have other Asus devices, Aura Sync also helps you to sync it so that all the devices emit the same light or the same theme whenever you want. Inside the playground, we have another option which is basically a sub option of Aura Sync, which is going to be the Aura wallpaper. If you want your laptop to not have the default Windows wallpapers, you can just use Aura wallpaper. By default, if I have an TUF laptop, I would have this wallpaper, or else if I have an ROG, I would have that violet color Aura wallpaper, with which I can match it with my mouse, with my CPU, and everything. Now, inside the assistant, the option which we use for automation is going to be scenario profiles. This is the most underrated feature. Scenario profiles let you automate your settings. All we got to do is choose or create a profile. We can set the profile to launch turbo mode and red lightning when you open Cyberpunk, but switch to silent mode when no lights are enabled the moment you open Chrome. You can configure everything in these options over here. Next, inside the same assistant, one option is going to be the game library. Well, if you are a gamer, your games would appear here in the game library. I recently was playing Valorant. At that time, Valorant was available over here, but now I uninstalled it, and right now I do not have any games in my laptop. That's why it's showing I do not have any games over here. This shows all your games arranged, so you can just choose it and play it and configure the games and the lightings and your settings just directly from the Armoury Crate. Moving to display settings, which houses game visual, this changes your screen's color profile. Use FPS mode to brighten up dark corners in shooters or iCat to reduce blue light during late night sessions. It's an instant way to improve your visual experience. Next is the content platform. The content platform is your library for extras. This is where you download additional extra aura wallpapers, custom animatrix for G14 users, and even find exclusive game deals under promotion. You can consider the content platform as the aesthetic store for your Asus mission. Now, the most important thing is going to be your settings. Inside the settings, you can customize your themes, update center. This is the most critical tab for stability. Always check the update center once a week. This is where you get firmware updates for your motherboard, GPU drivers, and app updates that fix common Armoury Crate bugs. Now you know how to navigate the all new latest version of Armoury Crate, but knowing the tabs is only one step. If you want to know which specific toggles you need to turn off to stop overheating and lag, then you would need a detailed video on each section. Right now, I just gave you an overview, so I do not cover everything in detail. But there are ways with which you can actually stop your laptop overheating, battery drain, memory performance, everything. If you want that, I can post a separate detailed video. If you just want it, just let me know in the comment section. I'd be glad to help you. Now, if this video is useful to you, hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and click on the video on your screen right now for other related videos. Once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Until then, bye.